Welcome back to another episode of NFC for Dummies. I'm your dummy host, Cal, of course. Sponsored by Midwest Gadgets. In our last episode, we talked about how NFC operates on a sine wave, and when it hits a repeater, it becomes a more concentrated signal. So the basic reading range of a field is 1 to 3 centimeters out from the actual device. And with a decent repeater, you can extend that from 3 to 7 centimeters. But what happens when our target is about 1 to 4 feet away? To demonstrate this, we're going to need our Midwest Gadgets field generator. It's powered by a coin cell battery, a push button, as well as an antenna and a sticker repeater on top. To detect the field, we're going to need our coin-sized field detector. Now, every time we press this button, the LED will light up. And the range of the LED blinking is definitely less than a centimeter. But couldn't we just put a repeater on top of a repeater on top of a repeater? And technically, yes, you could. This is at least more than 6 centimeters. And what's happening here is the field hits the repeater, gets more concentrated, then hits the large repeater and gets even more concentrated. So couldn't you just stack repeaters if you were to get to your target, which is 4 feet away? And the answer is yes, you can stack repeaters, but after a while, you would start to lose data. So then how in the hell are we supposed to get to our target? You can get a repeater with a UFL connector tuned to the right frequency and extend that NFC signal straight to your target. To demonstrate this, we're going to need our Flipper Zero and our Midwest Gadgets Flipper Zero field enhancer. And to measure the field, we're going to need our Midwest Gadgets field meter. You can add a coin cell battery for a more accurate digital reading, but you can also use it analog. And this is the antenna up here. We have one Flipper Zero with the field enhancer and one without one. Here's the field without the enhancer, and here it is with the enhancer. We can switch it to digital for a more accurate reading. And with the field enhancer, we're hitting 9.8. For a visual representation, we're going to use our card field detector. And this is the range you can get without the field enhancer. And this is with the field enhancer. And on the field enhancer, we have a UFL connector right there. That UFL connector allows us to add a card antenna. Now with the antenna plugged in, it's still giving off a very nice field. But if we follow the cord, you can see that the card is now emitting the exact same field. But the target is still 4 feet. Well, then we just get a longer cord. Now we can extend our field a full 5 feet. Now what's happening here is instead of getting more and more refined, it's taking that signal and transferring it straight to the target. If you'd like a chance to win a $50 gift card off anything on MidwestGadgets.org, just comment down below. The rules are very simple. Just comment, like, and subscribe. The winner will be announced December 2nd. But if you'd like 20% off any purchase off MidwestGadgets.org, use code BIGVALLEY. And congratulations to Hemp Spice and Midwest Gadgets on their 1-year anniversary.